Hey, this is Mike from Altair, and we're going to do the control stick calibration on the Altair Outlaw drone. Now, the calibration of the control sticks is already done by default when you receive your drone. It only needs to be done again if the drone is responding incorrectly to the controls. Then you can try this. So come a little closer and we'll take a look. So when you are going to calibrate the control sticks, you hold this red button down on the top of the remote and then turn it on. Now, this is the calibration control button right here. You hold it down for 3 seconds until you hear 3 beeps. Now you take both control sticks and move them to the right, all the way, straight right, and then go down and left and up and around in 2 full circles and let it go. So you move them to the right and then you go in 2 full circles simultaneously and let it go. And then you hold the calibration button down for 3 seconds again. And when you hear those beeps, that means it's calibrated. If it doesn't work the first time, you can just try it again. All right?